weekend, which can only mean one thing. Yep, we're off again, and this time to Colchester Country Park, which is, how long is it going to take us to get there, Chris?
From home, maybe hour and 10, hour and 20 minutes.
That's not bad.
Got about 40 minutes to go.
40 minutes to go, bit of traffic, and we're taking you with us. What do you do when you put the awning up, Chris?
Always put your storm straps on.
Always put your storm straps on. Yes. Always put your storm straps on.
Cheers.
Cheers. All the rees. Yeah. Ah, look at that. So I've had a lovely meal, a lovely ramen. And now it's hot chocolates. Good morning. So we had a really lovely evening last night. We had our ramen, and then we stayed up chatting and stuff till relatively late in Emma and Paul's awning. So we're camping with some of our friends here today, which is really lovely. They've got such a cute van. They've got a cute van called Bertie. I'll give you a little look of it later. So we're just chilling this morning, having a cup of tea, and then we're going to go into Colchester. So Colchester, I didn't realise, but it used to be the capital of England a long time ago. So it's one of Britain's oldest cities. So I'm looking forward to seeing the castle wall and the castle, that kind of thing. And but yeah, this morning, let me turn the camera around and you can see, let me turn camera around, you can see we're just chilling. Chris is making some tea. Yep, so that's Bertie, that's our friend Paul. Oh, and I'm going to make some breakfast in a bit as well. It's breakfast time. It's a lovely sight, this. You do hear a bit of traffic noise. That's the only thing. You can hear the road because the road is just there. So once in a while you can hear kind of quite loud things going by. But we still managed to sleep through it. It didn't disturb us. This is Chris sitting in the sun. Nearly ready. These are brilliant. I don't know if you've used these before, these like fire maples or these sort of kind of boil cups, but they really boil fast, which is really good when you want a quick cup of tea. So we're gonna chill, have a cup of tea, maybe some breakfast, and we'll catch you later.
So we just got back from a walk into Colchester town centre. It was about a 3 kilometre walk there, about 40 minutes perhaps. And then once we were there, we had a look around the shops, bit of lunch, a little drink, and then had a walk around Colchester Castle. Really interesting place, lots to see, lots of choice of restaurants, places to eat. We got back now. Weather's turned a little bit chillier, so jumpers had to come out. And now we're about to crack on with some dinner. Cheers. Okay, let's go for a little walk. So this is the campsite. We have one set of toilets and shower blocks there, and then if we walk this way we'll find another set just here. This is where you can fill the van up with water. Over here is your grey waste. You have the toilet block, shower block. In the middle here we have washing up and washing machines. Won't go in there as there's people in there. And then round the back we have the chemical toilets disposal. This is all currently being worked on and renovated, ready for the summer. put some new grass down. We're on pitch 77, which I'd say is probably a little bit close to the main road. Probably say if you wanted something a little bit quieter, as you may be able to hear that the road's quite noisy. There's solid, hard standing pitches here, which are a bit further away from the road. And here are some grass standing pitches with hookup. So they might be the ones worth looking at or asking for, to be a little bit further away from the road.
So dinner tonight is rice and slow cooked pork again and coleslaw and baps, and because there are more of us, I'm cooking rice in a pan instead of my cute slow cooker, rice cooker. It's a different recipe I made this time with the pork, slightly different. It was pork slow cooked in orange juice. The eyes are on, ready for the night, and Bertie's eyes are on. How gorgeous are they? What's a lovely van? So tell me a bit more about your van.
Hi, yes, this is a 1990 T25 T3 final production. We've had it for about 8 years now. It was one of the final ones that was made. It's got lots of little extras on it as well. It's a Westfalia conversion. It's got extra things like the captain's seats at the front.
Let's have a closer look.
That can swivel round.
Oh yeah.
We've got central locking, just extra body styling on the outside.
The driver's seat's on the other side.
Yeah, so left-hand drive.
Yeah.
That's right. It was made that way, right from when it was a van before it was converted.
And what's it like driving?
I don't mind it at all.
You don't mind?
Actually, no, I've got no problem with driving left-hand over in England. We're looking forward to, at some point, taking it over to the continent.
Oh yeah.
It'll obviously be a lot easier to drive over there. We've got a lot of space as well.
There's a lot of space.
Yeah, because we've got
There's a skylight up there.
It's a high top, permanent high top, or a tub top, I think they call it, bath top. We've got 2 sleeping beds in the top, with this whole section pulls down.
Yeah.
If we want it to, but we sleep downstairs on the rock and roll bed.
That's the rock and roll
And
bed.
we've just got storage everywhere. It's been well thought out.
Yeah. There's loads of storage, isn't there?
Yeah, and it's light an area as well,
It's
because
really
we've got windows all the way round and nothing impeding those windows.
Yeah.
It makes it a lot easier to see when you're driving as well. Even if there's left-hand driving over here, then we can just see everything. It's quite nice if the weather's pretty bad as well, that we can just have the doors closed and we can still see out. We're not just stuck in a dark hole.
It's
basically.
Lovely and light, isn't it? Really nice
really
and
is.
light.
It's superb. We love it. I think one of the main things about it is the amount of storage that we have, and everything's sort of tucked away under the seat or
How much
in the
floor
cupboards.
space as well. I love this carpet.
Yeah, we found that in a neighbour's skip.
Did you?
Yeah, recycled.
Recycled, upcycled.
Upcycled. That's the idea, isn't it?
I like this bunting as well.
Oh, my wife made that.
Oh, clever one.
She's very good.
Yeah.
She's very clever. She made the linings for the curtains, or added the linings to the curtains, and made some blackout curtains as well to go onto the windows. 'Cause obviously with it, as I said, with it being sort of light and airy during the day,
Yeah.
first thing in the morning it could be the same again. We
Yeah.
could have it be too light, too early. So
Yeah. I like
she
the
made them all.
little sea scenes. Like there's
It's very
little seagull.
seasidey.
Is that a seagull?
It is a herring gull,
Oh, a herring
apparently,
gull.
but yes,
Herring gull.
herring gull, and lots of postcards from where we've been.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just brilliant. We love it. It's a lovely lifestyle to have.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Paul. So that's it. We're packed up and on our way back after a really lovely weekend in Colchester. So, okay, it's that time, Chris. What's your 3-word review?
My 3-word review, I'm going to go with location, history, and sunshine.
And
Sunshine this week.
There has been a lot of sunshine this weekend. And my 3 words will be food, because we had some amazing food, friends, and fun. It was a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.